Discover the step-by-step ultimate affiliate marketing crash course guide. It's really not that darn hard. In fact, it's a piece of cake when you understand the process, respect the process, and follow it to a T. I'm talking about making a good living as an affiliate marketer. No, not a millionaire, but a few $1,000s a month in profit you could use to pay off that mortgage or send your kids to school. It all begins with making that first buck. That first $1 bill somehow in your mind will prove to you that this is real and will drive you to scale your success, starting with Step 1, get a product. You need a product to promote as an affiliate, so find one you like and write the author for a review copy. 9 times out of 10, he or she will say yes if it means making more sales for them. Step 2, review the product. In Step 1, I told you to get a review copy of the product. Why? People know the difference between a review that's real and one that's fake. Yours is real, so your passion and words will come through to the reader without coming off as fake to get a sale. Step 3, write and submit 1 article a day. This is a simple way to drive traffic slowly but surely. When you finish writing your articles based on the targeted keywords, send it to ezine Articles and make sure the resource box is good. Step 4, sit back and relax while the sales roll in. Listen, I've been in the affiliate marketing game long enough that it's become second nature to me. There's nothing really new about this. I know what you're thinking, won't this method become obsolete in the next few months? My answer would be a firm no. This is not the latest Facebook method, the coolest Twitter marketing trick, or the neatest eBay strategy that stays hot for only a few short months before it gets saturated by the market. This simple affiliate marketing crash course cannot be saturated. I should know because I and many other successful marketers like myself are using it daily with success. It has stood the test of internet time since the idea of making money online was ever conceived. Will this system require work? Yes. There's no doubt about it. But is it worth it? Again, yes. If you think you can just turn on your computer, and money finds its way into your bank account, maybe it's best you find the exit door and see your way out back to a 9-to-5 job. But if you're willing to put in a little bit of effort to get phenomenal long-term results and enjoy the profits of your business, you're in for a treat. I hope you enjoyed the valuable tips about the step-by-step ultimate affiliate marketing crash course. If you got value, like this video, and hit the subscribe button at the bottom. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below, letting me know what your biggest takeaway from this video. Last, don't forget to access my free guide in the description, showing you how to build and grow your business, using this all-in-one, special free report, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of affiliate marketing.